Ocean wave Azores 45. We have these piers that man is making, like Praia do Victoria in Terceira Island, Azores. This is a 5 kilometer. It's like a shell shape, and they just constructed, cutting the beach in like 7 pieces, whilst this was nature's gift. Human had to really destroy. Fortunately enough, one wave, Praia da Victoria, left-handed one, is still untouched, and I hope that they don't think politicians anymore, because these piers, man-made, could have been thought of in order to generate, for example, huge revenue and jobs. One wave, 300 meters, so imagine 5 kilometers. So one wave, 300 meters, that's 15 waves, equals 300 direct jobs. Indirect, 3,000, that's 3,300 times 15 times each, 20,000 euros revenue per year, multiplied by eternity, perpetual. Imagine Portuguese Prime Minister, if you calculate the cost of Portugal, like I have seen Oporto, same really piers, man-made, but using the brain, generating each so much, 300 meters, one wave, 3,300 jobs, times 20,000 euros, or even more, who knows? But the main thing is that perhaps we could eliminate many diseases like diabetes and people being fat and so. But the question is, are we going to change and stop killing waves in Azores and Portugal? Please give us those waves back, because we know that San Miguel has perfect situation for those waves. There was one wave that was caught, and we could really generate like Santa Catarina, perfect slabs, and that would be great for humanity, and that is perpetual, you see? Thank you, bye.